Enabling two-factor authentication to FA on your American Express business account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website and log into your business account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account services. Once logged in, navigate to the account services section typically found in the main menu or under your account settings. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. Before changing your settings, use the srocc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. Select your preferred method for receiving the second factor of authentication. This could be via text message, email, or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting your method, you may need to verify it by entering a code sent to you. Once verified, make sure to save your changes to activate 2FA on your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your American Express business account. Always remember to keep your contact information updated to ensure you receive your authentication codes.